हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे आप सब? आई होप आप सब बहुत बढ़िया होंगे। तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ फुल स्लीव विंटर प्री विंटर टॉप्स फ्रॉम मीशो अंडर ₹300। तो चलिए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ एक सेकंड। So these are all the tops which I have ordered from Meesho. These are 9 tops, 9 full sleeves pre-winter tops. तो एक एक करके मैं आपको पहन के दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है, और रिव्यू देती हूँ कि मुझे कैसी लगी और कैसी नहीं। और आप भी कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको ये टॉप्स जो है वो कैसी लग रही हैं। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टॉप। मैं आपको ओपन करके दिखाती हूँ। ये पहली टॉप है जो मैंने मंगाई है। इसको मैं पहन के दिखाती हूँ आपको। So this one is the super cute red flared sleeve ribbed top. I'm absolutely obsessed with this one. The color is so bold and vibrant, it instantly makes your outfit pop. The neckline has a really pretty scalloped design that gives it a soft and feminine touch. And those dramatic bell sleeves add such a trendy vibe. It gives major aesthetic fashion feels. The fabric is ribbed and stretchable, super comfy to wear, and hugs your body in all the right places. The length is cropped perfectly, not too short, just the right fit for high waisted jeans or skirts. I love how this top looks both cute and classy at the same time. You can style it for a dinner date, a night out, or even for your aesthetic Instagram pictures. It's that versatile. Definitely a must have if you love statement sleeves and a flashing fit. The link in the description, go check it out now. So my second top is this cute brown color top. इसमें लेस की नेक डिटेलिंग है। तो चलो मैं ये फटाफट पहन के आकर आपको दिखाती हूँ। So, this is a super cute brown ribbed crop top that I absolutely love. It has this beautiful lace detailing along the neckline, which makes it look really feminine and elegant. I also love the little bow in the center. It adds such a cute touch. The material is stretchable and super comfortable, perfect for casual outings or even a coffee date look. I have paired it here with the high waisted blue jeans, but it would also look great with the skirts or shorts. The square neckline gives a very flattering shape, and the long sleeves makes it great for a slightly cool weather too. Overall, it's such a simple yet stylish piece that you can easily dress up or down. So link is in the description, go check it out. So my third top is this black top. इसमें क्यूट सी बो की डिटेलिंग भी है नेक पे। तो चलिए इसी पे मैं पहन के आती हूँ फटाफट। लेट्स गो। So this is the super chic black crop top with white detailing around the neckline. I really love how simple yet elegant it looks. It has this cute little bow in the center which gives it that soft feminine touch. The material is ribbed and super comfy, and the fit is really flattering. It's perfect for casual outings or even a dinner date look if you style it with some accessories. I have paired it with high waisted blue jeans, but you can totally wear it with skirts or wide leg pants for a more dressed up vibe. It's such a classic piece. You can never go wrong with the black and white. So if you want to purchase this top, link is in the description. Check it out. So my fourth top is this green top. इसका V neck design है, ठीक है। मैं इसको फटाफट से पहन के आती हूँ। चलिए। This one is such a gorgeous light green off-shoulder top. I am honestly obsessed with the neckline. It has that flattering V shape which looks super elegant and highlights the collarbones beautifully. The fabric is soft, stretchable, and really comfortable to wear. It gives such a chic and classy vibe while still being minimal. I have paired it with the high waisted blue jeans. You can easily dress it up with some accessories or wear it casually for brunch or a day out. It's simple, elegant, and definitely one of my favorite pieces from this haul. So, if you want to purchase this top, Link is in the description. Go check it out. So my fifth top is this olive green top. ठीक है, ये वी नेक डिजाइन है इसका भी. चलिए मैं इसको भी पहन के आती हूँ फटाफट और आपको दिखाती हूँ. So this one is such a stunning olive green ribbed top. I absolutely love the wrap style and deep V neckline. It gives such a classy yet bold look. The material is thick, stretchable and hugs the body really well, giving that perfect fitting shape. I really like the flared sleeves. They add such a chic and elegant touch. You can pair it with the white jeans or even with skirts for a more dressy vibe. It's perfect for dinner date or an evening outing. Stylish, elegant and super comfortable at the same time. So link is in the description. Go check it out. So my next top is this blue top, square neck top है ये. So let's try it on. This is the super cute blue square neck top. I absolutely love how classy and elegant it looks. The fit is so amazing, like it's made from a soft, ribbed, stretchable fabric that hugs the body really nicely and feels super comfortable. You know, the long sleeves add such a stylish touch, and the square neckline makes it look so chic and trendy. I paired it with blue jeans, and honestly, the whole outfit turned out so aesthetic. It's perfect for casual outings, brunch dates, or even daily wear. And the best part is, it's really affordable for the quality you will get it. It's only under rupees 300. So, if you're looking for something classy, comfy and stylish, this top is definitely worth it. The link is in description, so go check it out. So my next top is this white top. इसका neck design बहुत ही सुंदर और cute है. ठीक है, personally ये top मेरी favorite top है. तो चलिए इसको let's try it out. So this is a super stylish beige ribbed crisscross top. I'm totally obsessed with this one. It looks so chic and elegant at the same time. The design on the neckline gives it such a trendy and unique vibe, something you don't see everywhere. The fabric is soft, stretchable and super comfortable to wear. It fits perfectly on the body and gives a really flattering shape. I love how the ribbed texture adds a touch of sophistication to the whole look, right? I styled it with the high-waisted blue jeans and the outfit turned out so classy and yet casual. It's perfect for outings, brunches or even date nights. And honestly, the quality feels amazing for this price. Totally worth it. If you love minimal yet fashionable pieces, you will definitely fall in love with this top. The purchase link is in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Bye bye. So this is the super pretty maroon fitted top. So let's try it on this top. I absolutely love how simple yet elegant this one looks. It has beautiful round neckline with a cute button detailing in the front, which gives it a nice trendy touch. The fabric is soft, comfy and slightly stretchable. It fits the body perfectly and feels really nice on the skin. The long sleeves make it great for cooler weather or layering with jackets. I personally styled it with a high-waisted blue jeans and the combo looked effortlessly stylish. Perfect for casual outings, college or even a relaxed dinner look. The color is rich and flattering, and honestly it gives such a classy vibe without being over the top for the price. The quality is totally worth it. You can find the link in the description, so go check it out now. Next is this again a brown top. इसकी जो sleeves है वो बहुत ही सुंदर है. ठीक है, मैं इसको पहन के दिखाती हूँ आपको फटाफट. So this is the super trendy brown ribbed top. I absolutely love how elegant and minimal this one looks. The square neckline gives it such a flattering shape and the flared sleeves makes it even more stylish and unique. The fabric is soft, stretchable and super comfortable. It hugs the body perfectly without feeling tight. I really like how it gives a sleek fitted look while still being breathable and easy to wear. I paired it with the blue high-waisted jeans, and honestly, the combo looks so effortlessly chic. You can wear this top for casual outings, coffee dates, or even style it up with accessories for a dressier look. The quality feels great for this price, and this rich chocolate brown color looks amazing on every skin tone. If you are into simple yet classy outfits, this one is a must have, guys. The link is in the description, go check it out. So yes, these are all the tops which I've ordered from Meesho under ₹300. इनमें से कोई भी टॉप अगर आपको पसंद आई है तो इनका लिंक जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, वहाँ से जाके आप इसको परचेज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो गाइस. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल which is Lakshita Malhotra. Bye bye. Take care.